hate your neighbors? Do you absolutely detest when your neighbors continually pester you by asking, "May I borrow this? And would it be too much trouble to borrow that?" If you can identify with this is your product, the Wasian Lightning-Bolt Unlimited. This product not only allows you to isolate yourself completely from human society, it also allows you to respond to those annoying "may I borrow" queries with not so much as making a face-to-face contact with your neighbors. Here's an example of how that would work.
Hey neighbor, you there? I ran out of batteries. Can I borrow some? Ow. Okay.
You can also send an instant message along with it. Not compatible with MSN.
Hey neighbor, can I borrow some weights? Leave me alone. Thanks, neighbor.
And if you despise your neighbor, you can even throw an egg along with your life to egg someone's house.
What? It's not broken! Damn!
Oh wait! The glider supposed to protect the egg. Never mind. I guess you can try dynamite next time if you really despise your neighbor. Normally this product is worth $29.99 Canadian. But if you call within the next 15 minutes, we'll double your offer. If you call now, we'll also throw in 1 week's supply of dynamite to destroy your neighbor. And we'll also throw in 5 mini Wasian lightning bolts. Somewhat limited. You can pay using Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and sometimes Discover.
It's Discover.
Shut up. Anyways, call 1-800-BUY-BOLT now. I mean